Hey everybody, Casey here. We're doing a video over Clowerty. I'm guessing that's how you say it. It's a cloud mining platform. Just gonna give a shout out to Abdul77. It's the Riska Abdul from YouTube. They let me know about this platform, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. And let's kind of walk through it real quick. They do have plans, so the more you invest, the higher percentage rate you get. They do have a calculator, so if you do $100, it tells you what plan you're on, what percentage level you're at, and you could do like 100% Litecoin. That's how much Litecoin you'll get a day, week, month, 6 months, and per year. They have over 100,000 active users, 26 days online, 116,000 invested. So that's about an average of $1,000 per person. I'm assuming there's some more, some less. They do have a partner program. It's 2 gigahertz per referral, so if you just get somebody to sign up underneath you, you get 2 gigahertz of hashing power for free. 9% of whatever they actually purchase if they're level 1s is 6% if they're level 2s. So, and 100 gigahash is free. I'm sure with most platforms you have to deposit something before they'll actually give that earned coin to you, if that makes sense. Here's their stats as of today. So, invested in Litecoin, how many Litecoin, Bitcoin, US dollars, all of them, and how much they've paid out in each. So let's jump into the actual dashboard. We'll start back up here at the top. So basically it shows you your level, how many gigahash you need to get to the next level. If you click edit your account, it asks for the withdrawal addresses for all of these. So I already turned on my 100 gigahashes in Litecoin. I figured I could just let that run right there. Let's see, mining. This is where you choose your available gigahashes, how much you've used, so what percentage wise, how many gigahashes you have total, and your deposit, your level. They do take, let's see, go to deposit. You could choose your currency. So if you want to choose with or pay with cash, you could use Perfect Money or Payer. They have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, the Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. So I'll walk through that process here in a bit. Withdrawals basically the same way. The affiliate program is basically the same thing. How many referrals you got, how many on level 1 and 2, and what percentage you actually got. And it shows you their logins and the purchase amounts right here. The history, last deposit, withdrawals, and my orders. And then they do have a support tab. So let's go back up here. I'm actually going to go ahead and make a deposit. If you look at this, let's go back up here. So I'm actually going to do enough to hit the super and get the 5%. I was debating about doing $100 to $200, but I figure why not do the 100 more and get the 5%. So I'm going to go in with 300. Actually, probably 301. and I'll probably end up doing all Litecoin. So I should get a quarter of a Litecoin a day, and then basically 1.9 Litecoin per week. So, and if this holds true, it should take, what, 20 days to get my ROI back. So let's hop back in here and see. I'm going to deposit with Ethereum. It has a generate address right here. So it'll ask you to generate an address for your funding. So you hit generate. And I want to send. Paste that in. USD 301. We're going to go fast. We'll hit. Actually, we'll do 310 just so there's no. Yep, so 312, hit confirm. So now we just sit here and wait for a second. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. You got this. So we'll give it a little bit. So basically what I'm going to do is be pulling out daily my Litecoin. Oh, it says it's confirmed. Alright, withdrawal is gone. So mining. Let's check history. Nothing yet. It may take a second for it to show up in their system. In fact, I'll pause this and then come back when it shows up. Alright, so we're back. It took about 15 minutes for it to show up. There's the deposit. It got completed. It automatically went into my distributed amount. So running straight with the Clowerty. So how I always track everything I do. First, let me say this. This is like any other mining thing or any other crypto thing. It's high risk, high reward. So do your research. I mean, I even went and started watching YouTube videos on it just to make sure that it was still doing good, still happening, still working. But like everything's high risk, high reward. I'm willing to lose the $300 to give it a go. So, that being said, I track everything. Like everything. So, let me pull. I've deposited ETH to LTC. Oh, come on now. So I did, what was it, 0.8, so 5.65 LTC. So what I'll do is I'll add a line item here for LTC 5.6. Clowerty, ERTY. I normally put the link right here, and then my affiliate link, I'll get that. I will have an affiliate link down in the description. If you want to join, go for it. If not, then don't. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, what I'm having fun with. So we'll bounce over here to Bankatron so y'all could see the madness going on with Bankatron. Love me some Bankatron. So 51, so 215 total. I did make my deposit today of 1,000. So we're getting more and more, faster and faster. We'll go ahead and pull this out. I like to withdraw whenever I can. So, yep, there we go. That should have hit. Boop, 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 boop. Yep, that's from all the different contracts that I got going. I pulled them all out, and then there's my referrals. So I am enjoying Bankatron, but I am looking forward to see how this goes. Once again, link is in the description below. Y'all have an amazing day. Make you some of that crypto.